Hello everyone, I am Varun from Rune Studio and welcome to my channel. With today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get rich by making your own magnificent shiny gold coins created with Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Dimension. Let's get to it. So we'll start with Adobe Illustrator and with only stroke selected and no fill, we'll start creating half side of the coin in the side view. So let's create something similar to this. You can press and hold Shift to make straight lines. Now we will reflect the same thing in vertically. So to do that, let's right click, transform and reflect, and hit copy. Now let's move it like this. Delete these anchor points, select these two and join them. I'm going to make a bit of adjustments to my liking. You can take your time and do as you please. Round them off a bit like this. And now we have one side of the coin which we are going to revolve in 3D. So to do that, go to Effect, 3D Materials and Revolve. You get something like this. You can take a look. It looks great. Can't see it right now because of the black stroke. You can change the stroke to a little off-white color. Now you can see it better. And click and hold this to rotate freeform. I think it's very thick right now and too small. Let's make adjustments. So go to your appearance and toggle this visibility of 3D and materials right now, so we can edit it better. So we need to adjust so that it looks more like a coin. I think I like this better than before. So that's looking good. Let's add something that will go in the middle. I'm going to create a star in the middle. So select Star tool and click and drag to create a star. Something like this. Now we will choose a fill color, no stroke, and again we'll go to 3D materials and choose an extrude. This extrude will basically go here on top of the coin. We'll just change a few settings. We'll bevel this. I think classic bevel will look really nice. I'm okay with the depth. We can adjust the depth while we are in Adobe Dimension. So these two assets are done. We'll quickly go to Asset Export. You can't see it here. You can go to Window and here click Asset Export. So after you've made these 3D objects, drag these to this panel. Now you will get this OBJ option. We need OBJ. Let's export these. Let's move to Adobe Dimension now. In Adobe Dimension, we'll go to File, Import 3D Model, and let's choose the assets that we exported from Adobe Illustrator. Just like this. And now we will quickly rename the layers. Let's call this coin. Let's call this star. What we want to do right now is rotate it like this, and let's make sure that it's in the middle. To do that more easily, select both, click on Align and Distribute. especially here and here. I'll scale this up a little bit. Let's align them again. I think I like it like this. From side, let's make it like this. So let's select both and group them, and let's assign a material. Let's search for gold, and I will make the background black. I think black looks nice. Now we will duplicate this group. Just make a stack just like this. We can align these as well. Align and distribute. Okay. I'll just make a nice little composition just like this. Keep duplicating to get something interesting. Move them like this also, just to get some variation. Make sure they're not intersecting, because coins will not interact in real life. The scene is complete. So if you want to take a preview, just click on render preview and then it'll show you a preview. Keep adjusting your scene until you are happy with something that looks a bit better. I'm going to fast forward this right now and make my scene a little bit better. Keep previewing in between. So once you're happy with the composition that you have got, I think I like it like this. So now we're ready to hit render. So the last thing that you need to check is the canvas. Right now it's 1024 by 768. I think that's the standard size. Whatever the size that you need to change the canvas size to that. I think I'm happy with the size, but the bigger the size is going to be, the more the render time will be. So please make a note of that. So you go to render, and then I'm going to check this place where I need to save it. Change this to gold coin. I want the quality high. That's obviously going to take some time. It will be slow. And let's hit render. I am going to fast forward this, and I'll see you once the render is complete. So now our render is complete. So that's about it, guys. If you liked the tutorial, please consider subscribing and sharing this video on your platforms. And I'll see you next time.